Your morning isn't the problem. 1. Lay out your outfit the night before. Deciding what to wear in the morning burns more mental energy than you think. Do it the night before, takes 90 seconds, saves you 5 minutes of standing in front of your wardrobe half asleep. Pick your outfit the night before. 2. Set up breakfast the night before. Overnight oats, a pre-packed smoothie, or even just setting out your bowl and spoon. One less decision. One less thing to forget. You'll actually eat breakfast instead of skipping it. Prep breakfast the night before. 3. Pack your bag before you sleep. Keys, wallet, charger, headphones. Spend 2 minutes sorting your bag before bed. Stop tearing your house apart every morning looking for things that were already in your hand the night before. Pack your bag before bed.
The reframe: your morning starts the night before. 5 minutes of prep saves you 10 minutes of chaos. Your morning starts the night before. Call to action: follow for one life hack a day. Follow for a new hack every day. Keep the calm morning visual in the background. Let the video breathe and loop, don't hard cut to black.